How to make all Facebook posts private. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make all your Facebook posts private. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the three dot icon which can be seen beside the edit profile button. And now here, once you are in the section, just tap on the activity log. And here it will show you all your activity including the public post. Now from here, simply scroll down and tap on your Facebook activity. And from there, you simply have to scroll down and tap on Manage Post. And now here in this section, you simply have to tap on Filters at the top left. And there you simply have to tap on Categories. And now here in this section, you simply have to select your post, photos and videos. And after that, it will show you the list of all your post, photos and videos. Now here, you simply have to select all, and once you're done with it, you simply have to tap on the three dot icon which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, simply tap on Change Audience. And after that, simply tap on Change Audience again. And here, you simply have to select the option that says Only Me and simply change its privacy. And once you do that, all your Facebook posts will become private. And that's it. That's how you can make all your Facebook posts private. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.